Welcome back, viewers of the YouTube world. Today I'm going to be making something I need for the lathe for when I'm turning. I can set it and turn it onto a certain size, and after I make it I will demo how this thing works. But what I'm going to do is in my scroll saw book. This is a scroll sawing project, or bandsaw if you have one. I am going to be making these. Well, one set of these. So I just need to do two legs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scan that, because that's the actual pattern that I need, print it out, and then once I get back outside in the garage and get set up and all that, I will come back. Well, here's my pattern. I don't know if you can see it, but once I get out into the garage, I'm going to be using, I forget the thickness, but it's Luan. Be perfect for this. Well, I'll cut out, get two pieces cut and this attached, and then we'll get to making it. So until I get in the garage, sit tight, I'll be back. Welcome back. We're in the garage now. Pattern. I got two pieces of whatever thickness that is, Luan. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to wood glue the pattern to my Luan, like that. And since I want them symmetrical and identical, I'm going to put the two pieces together, and I'll probably just shoot some staples in it. If I had some spray tack, this would be super simple, or even double-faced tape, I think. But in the waist area, like here, I'll put a couple staples just to secure it together so I get two symmetrical pieces when I cut it out. So let's glue our pattern to our Luan. Can never see anything, can you? Hang on. Maybe. Some super duper wood glue. It's so thick because it's so cold. But it is Ohio. A few days ago it was 72. And today it's 32. Ridiculous. That should be way more than enough. Probably too much. Let's see here. I think I want that there. It may or may not peel off after I get it cut out, but it really doesn't matter. I just want that to be secured on there, like such. I gotta find my airline and get all that set up, and I'll be back. And we're back. Got that glued. Just gonna clamp them together so they don't move. They're a little long. That's all I got. But now they're secured together in a crude way, I guess. I'll just snip these off and then cut it out. I'll get them snipped off and then I'll reset up the camera so you can watch me excitingly cut out my pattern. And all these staples, since they're in the waste wood, there's one. When I cut it out, they'll just fall off. Throw them away. I'm going to get that done and I'll be right back. Got them all trimmed down so nice and flat so they don't scratch my scroll saw table and get caught up on things. So we'll get the cutting her out. This shouldn't take too long. I've done this. And it clearly shows. Let's zoom me back out. Okay. Now we just pop it apart. Throw that away. And now we have two symmetrical pieces. How cool is that? Now, still got the pattern glued to that side. It don't really matter. I don't think I'm gonna get it off. But what it'll be, I'll put them back together like such, and I'll drill that hole so they both have the hole in the same spot, and I'll get some sort of bolt with a wing nut, probably a couple washers, and then you flip it around, and here's where it would pivot, and the toes of these legs would be your calipers, I guess. So I'm get these attached, get set up, and show you how they work. I think it's pretty cool. Quick little fun project. Is that even appropriate? I'll be back. So the best I could come up with real quick, I didn't feel like looking anymore. But it's I think it's a drywall anchor. But I see wing nut and bolt. Good enough. So we're going to drill this hole, put it together, show you what she's used for. Oh, of course it's unplugged. Why wouldn't it be? Yay! Yay for hole. I got the hole, flip it around. I'm not sure if this is going to fit. Because I can't find a drill bit this size. Never can. Trying to find the right size drill bits, like trying to find a 10mm socket constantly. It's impossible. Maybe I can get this thread in here. Oh, come on. Try to hobble out the hole a little bit. That'll work. That may work as well. Feeling pretty lazy. So overkill. I don't even care. Overkill, but works. Let's make sure our legs are right. See if I only had the right size drill bit. Ooh, look at that. That is genius. Put our, what I'm going to call today a wing nut. It should work. Maybe not. I don't know. It'll be good enough so you can get the idea of what I'm trying to do here. Although, it won't tighten up. That's a sad face. Oh well. I got you rolling. I got this piece of wood in here. I'm gonna set this to sure of that. And since this won't tighten, I'm just going to put a clamp on it to hold it in place. It'll get a little bigger. Well, let's turn this on and show you what it does real quick, and I think we'll wrap it up. Gonna take a parting tool just as a demo. The idea of this, like if I was making a tenon of some sort and I needed this piece of wood to be like a 1-inch dowel to fit in to a 1-inch hole. I could set this to 1 inch, and as I'm turning this down I could leave this on here until it slides over, and then I'd have my rough 1 inch. Crappy angle. I don't think that's going to work any better. There we go, maybe. Slid right over. So now we know that groove I just made is whatever this is. I think this will be a nice handy little thing for the lathe once I get a real bolt and wing nut and washers and do it right. But I think you get the gist. That is today's project. Where am I at? Yeah. So until next time, thank you for watching. Please comment, let me know how I'm doing thus far. And I'll catch you next time.